Hey there everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can change your iFlix account's password. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. In order to change your iFlix account's password, first tap open your iFlix application and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, go to the Me button at the bottom right corner, and from this page, go to Account. Under Login Account, you'll be able to see a Reset Password option. Tap on Reset Password, and you'll need to first enter a verification code that will be sent to your email address. Tap on Send Code and wait for the email to be received. Once you receive your verification code, type it in the text field and tap on Verify. Now, go ahead and enter the new password you want to change to. Double check your password by tapping on the eye icon at the right corner, and once you're sure you've typed in the correct one, tap on Confirm. And with this, you have changed your iFlix account's password easily. Next time you log into your account, remember that you've changed your password and you'll need to enter the same password you just changed to. That was how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Stay tuned till then.